Good morning students, welcome to our YouTube channel Genius Coaching Center. Today's our topic is continuous function. So firstly we define what is continuous function. A function f of x is said to be continuous if the curve of a function does not break at any point x equal to a, then the given function is continuous. So mathematically we define what is a continuous function. A function f of x is said to be continuous if f of a exists and limit x approaches to a, f of x exists and limit x approaches to a, f of x is equal to f of a, then the given function is said to be continuous function. Another definition of a function is said to be continuous if left hand limit of the function is equal to right hand limit of a function is equal to given function at x equal to a, that is the limit point of the function. Now we have an example f of x equal to 5x minus 3. We have to check given function is the continuous at x equal to 0, minus 3 and 5. So we have to find firstly f of 0. F a exists, so a is a 0, f of 0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Now we have to find limit x approaches to 0, f of x that is equal to limit x approaches to 0, 5x minus 3. Now substitute the value. 5 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Now from the definition of the continuous function, limit x approaches to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. So the given function is continuous at x equal to 0. Similarly, we can find f of minus 3 that is equal to 5 into minus 3 that is equal to minus 15 minus 3 that is equal to minus 18. Now similarly, we can find limit x approaches to minus 3, f of x that is limit x approaches to minus 3, f of x equal to 5x minus 3. Now substitute the value. 5 minus 3 that is equal to minus 15 minus 3 that is equal to minus 8. From the definition of the limit of a function that is equal to f of minus 3, given function is a continuous at x equal to minus 3. Similarly, limit x approaches to 5, f of x limit x approaches to 5, given function f of x minus 3 that is equal to 5 into 5 minus 3 that is equal to 25 minus 3 that is equal to 22. Similarly, we can find f of 5 that is equal to, so limit x approaches to minus 5, x approaches to 5, f of x equal to f of 5. Given function f of x equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x equal to 0, minus 3 and 5. Let us consider another example. F of x equal to x plus 1 if x is less than equal to 3, dx plus 3 if x is greater than 3, and is a function is continuous at x equal to 3. So we have to find the relationship between a and b. So the definition of the continuous function, left hand limit is equal to limit x approaches to 3 negative ax plus 1 that is equal to 3a plus 1. Similarly, right hand limit x approaches to 3 positive bx plus 3, put 3 that is equal to 3b plus 3. From the definition of the continuous function, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, 3a plus 1 is equal to 3b plus 3. Now solve out 3a minus 3b is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That is the required relationship between a and b if the given function is continuous at x equal to 3. Let us consider another example. F of x equal to k cos of x pi minus 2x if x is not equal to pi by 2, 3 if x equal to pi by 2, is continuous at x equal to pi by 2, we have to find out the value of k. So from the definition of continuous function, left hand limit is equal to limit x approaches to pi by 2 k cos of x into pi minus 2x. We have given that x is not equal to pi by 2, because if we put x equal to pi by 2, the given function becomes 0 by 0 form. To avoid this mistake, we have put limit h approaches to 0 k cos of x equal to pi by 2 minus h pi minus 2 pi by 2 minus h by using the definition of left hand limit x is equal to pi by 2 minus h. Now solve what? Limit h approaches to 0 k cos pi by 2 minus h is equal to sine of h pi minus pi plus 2h. Now limit h approaches to 0 k sine h upon 2h. Now taken out constant from the limit sine h upon h. We know that limit h approaches to 0 sine h upon h is equal to 1, k by 2 into 1 is equal to k by 2. Now similarly we can find right hand limit, that is equal to limit x approaches to pi by 2, that is equal to 3, that is equal to 3. From the definition of continuous function, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, that is equal to k by 2 is equal to 3, that is k is equal to 6. So the given value of k is equal to 6. Let given function is continued at x equal to 2. Left hand limit is equal to limit x approaches to 2 negative f of x, that is equal to 5. Similarly, right hand limit x approaches to 2 positive f of x, that is equal to limit x approaches to 2 positive f of x is equal to ax plus b. Substitute the value, that is 2a plus b. From 1 and 2, we know the definition of continuous function. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, that is 2a plus b equal to 5, equation 3. Similarly, given function is continuous at x equal to 10. Left hand limit is equal to limit x approaches to 10 positive 10 negative f of x, that is equal to limit x approaches to 10 negative ax plus b, that is 10a plus b. Let us consider it as equation 4. Right hand limit is equal to limit x approaches to 10 positive f of x, that is equal to 21. From 4 and 5, 10a plus b is equal to 21, that is equation 6. Now we have to find out the value of a and b. So by using elimination method, we can find out the value of a and b. Now subtract this equation. Minus 8a is equal to minus 16. A is equal to 2. Now substitute the value of a in equation 3rd. We get 2 into 2 plus b is equal to 5. B is equal to 5 minus 4. That is b is equal to 1. Required value of a and b. Let us consider another example. We have to find out the point of discontinuity continuity of the given function. We know that the polynomial function is a continuous function, but we have function has two value at x less than equal to 1 and x greater than 1. So we have to find out the point of discontinuity. So we have a critical point x equal to 1. So we can check the continuity at x equal to 1, because x less than 1, the given function is continuous, and x greater than 1 also given function is continuous. We have to check the continuity at x equal to 1, that is critical point. Limit left hand limit is equal to limit x approaches to 1 negative f of x, that is equal to limit x approaches to 1 negative x plus 5, that is equal to 1 plus 5, that is equal to 7. 6. Similarly, right hand limit x approaches to 1 positive f of x, limit x approaches to 1 positive x minus 5, 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, that is not equal. So the given function is continuous at all points except x equal to 1. Given function is continuous at all point except at x equal to 1. आई होप आपको कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन का कंसेप्ट समझ आया होगा। मैं हर रोज आपके लिए नए नए वीडियो लेके आता हूँ। प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू वॉचिंग फॉर माई वीडियो।